Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about pairing Bluetooth headphones to an Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. So what we want to do is, from our homepage, we're going to do a large drag down from the top of the screen. This is going to open us up to this menu. Now we see we have the Bluetooth option right here, and this is just a simple way to turn it on and off. This isn't going to be where you pair your device. To pair the Bluetooth headphones, we need to go to where it says All Settings and click on that. In the All Settings area, we want to find where it says Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and click on that. So in our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, we can see for Bluetooth that it is toggled on. This is where we want to be. And then below that, it says Bluetooth devices, add, remove, and view available Bluetooth devices. We're going to click on that. And it says pair a Bluetooth audio device to listen to audio content or to use the voice view screen reader. So at this point, I need to put my Bluetooth headphones in pairing mode, and whatever Bluetooth headphones that you have, they should have a button probably somewhere either on the case or on the headphones themselves that you can hold down, and it will put them into pairing mode. And once I'm in pairing mode, I can now see that my AirPods are showing up and I can connect to them. So I'm going to click on AirPods. And once they connect, it should take you back to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth menu page. Just to double check to make sure that we're paired up, clicking on Bluetooth devices, I can now see that my AirPods are set up and ready to go. And they have a little check mark right there indicating that I'm now paired. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about connecting Bluetooth headphones to a Kindle Paperwhite. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.